Organizing a kid's room can be a challenging task, but with a systematic approach it can be much easier. Here are some tips to help you. Create organization in a kid's room. Start by going through all the items in the room, and remove any toys, clothes, or other items that are no longer used or needed. Donate or discard these items to create more space. Group similar items together such as toys, books, art supplies, and clothes. This will make it easier to organize and find things. Invest in storage bins, baskets, or cubbies to store toys, art supplies, and other items. Label each container with a picture or word to help your child identify where each item goes. Install shelves on the walls to display books and other decorative items. This will not only help keep books organized, but also make them easily accessible for reading. Create a designated homework area. Set up a desk or a small table and chair in a quiet corner of the room for your child to do homework or engage in other creative activities. If your child has a large number of toys, consider using a rotation system. Keep some toys accessible and store the rest in bins or shelves. Every few weeks rotate the toys, giving your child a fresh selection to play with and preventing the room from becoming overwhelmed with clutter. Teach your child the importance of organization and involve them in the process. Encourage them to tidy up their room regularly and provide guidance on where each item needs to be stored. Remember, creating organization in a kid's room is an ongoing process. Regularly revisit and adjust the system as needed.
To keep things tidy and manageable,
it can be made much easier to create organization in a kid's room.
Follow us and get more details.